Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is sew-in maintenance. I've had these bundles for a year and a half maybe. I got this from AliExpress. This is the only vendor that I buy my hair from, which is so funny because I said that already 5 years ago in a video that I made for them. They're aligrace on AliExpress. I've never had any issues with them. I found them on AliExpress and then I just stayed a loyal customer for years, literally, and you see why. This is a year-old bundle. You would think, like, you know, the before was crazy, and I haven't done my hair in what, 2 weeks then, so that's why it looks like that. And now girl looks all fresh. And if you want to see how I achieved this clean, silky look, stay tuned. So this is what I use to condition my bundles. I do not use shampoo on my hair. And I go in with the number 8 and number 3 masks from OLAPLEX on my natural hair. I also use the Bond Maintenance shampoo. It's really good. It's almost done, as well as the Bond Maintenance conditioner. I had to re-up on these because they're 10 out of 10. So as I said before, I haven't washed my hair in like 2 weeks, so it's really product built up. There's a lot of oil. I can't even run my finger through it. It's been in a bun for the past week. But we're gonna get it together today, so. Girl, bear with me. The ends are looking real crispy, real just, they need some help. Here I'm showing you that my edges need help, so they're going to get permed. Now that my hair is all fresh and clean, to dry it mildly, I use a microfiber towel. But to prep my hair for blow dry and straightening, I use the Color Wow OLAPLEX number 9, OLAPLEX number 6, and the Chai Keratin Silk Infusion. I put all of that in my hair before I put any heat on it. And after all that, I blow dry my hair. I'm gonna go in and put my hair in parts to flat iron my entire head. I have some leave out in the back whenever I do a ponytail, so that's what I'm going to start out with. And then I'm going to do the top part of my hair. And after I do the top part, I go in and do my bundles last. So you reached the end of the video. I hope you liked it. If you want more like this, just ask. Let me know. And we'll see how it goes. Thank you for watching.